At Chattahoochee Tech in the Interiors program, we're really focused on teaching students the skills they need to get out into the world and get a career in design.
A day for me is I get in the office and it's kind of like I'm crazy until about 12 p.m. because I'm trying to read all my emails and talk to people who are trying to talk to me that got information through the night. Once I finally get my head above water, then it's actually time to dive into the to-do list and figure out what I need to get done, which is usually selecting, changing measurements to things, actually drawing new plans, just things like that. So,
a typical workday for me, I start out in the office and I plan out my day on what projects I need to work on. I spend a lot of time online sourcing and then also going out to our vendors and sourcing actual products.
Don't even get rid of your textbooks because they still come in handy, especially the codes and the materials thing. Pay attention, and the computer-based programs, CAD, SketchUp, Revit, all that, just soak it all in and keep those books too.
I would just say treat every project like it's for a real client and that you don't want to disappoint them. Through that, I think you'll be able to retain the information a little bit better than maybe I did.
Almost every industry uses the computer. It's really like learning those skills and having those skills, those computer skills, will take you so many other places because our contractors use SketchUp, they use CAD, like it's all part of the communication. So if you don't know how to do that, it's going to be difficult for you to communicate within our industry.
There's tons of different stuff you can get with a degree. You can do theater design, like set design with a design degree.
There are all kinds of fields of design. I mean, of course, you've got your residential and you've got your commercial, but then there are cabinetry, then there is wallpaper.
Wallpaper is a whole thing. You have to know so much about it. Fabric, that's a whole other thing. You do have to know how much yardage you need for some things. So that materials class, you learn about all of that.
I would say honestly something that I learned about in school that I didn't learn anywhere else and I use it every single day in design is like floor plans, elevations, pulling dimensions on everything.
Some of the skills that I learned in school that I use regularly is AutoCAD and 2020. That's my job. I specialize in those computer softwares, and I get to use them every day to do floor plans and cabinetry designs and show elevations to our clients.
I'm excited that you guys get to hear what some of our students are doing, some of the fun things that they are working on, and just to see what the opportunities are.